Capricorn, this is not an accident. The reason you are here and watching this is because the universe has prepared a surprising message for you. You have been carrying heavy burdens for a long time, praying in silence and waiting for a sign that your destiny will change. That moment has come. What you will discover in this video could change your love life, your money life, and your future forever. Don't miss this opportunity because blessings like this don't come twice. Watch carefully. Your life may never be the same after this message. Capricorn, listen carefully because this message is extraordinary. The universe has been watching your struggles, your silent prayers, and the sacrifices you have made for others without asking for anything in return. Many times you have felt as if you had been forgotten, as if destiny had closed the doors. But the truth is that nothing is lost. Every tear, every hope, every prayer counts. This is the moment when the universe will finally answer. A powerful change is coming, and it brings with it the energy of blessings you never thought possible. In this video, we will reveal the hidden signs around you, the surprising message prepared for your zodiac, and the changes that can affect your love, your money, and your destiny. If you believe in luck, dreams, and destiny, stay until the end. Because what you hear now may be the change you have been waiting for a long time. Capricorn, your journey has never been easy. Since childhood, you have learned the true meaning of responsibility. While others can relax, you are carrying the weight of family, work, and expectations. Many times you have felt as if life is testing you more than anyone else. But what others do not see is the strength that has been forged from all these challenges. In Filipino culture, people often say, "The weight of the world is on my shoulders." Capricorn, this is exactly how your life has been. You have sacrificed your own dreams to shine a light on others. You kept trying even when no one was watching. You stayed true even when your loyalty was not returned. There were nights when you cried silently, asking God and the universe, "When will my luck come? When will the pain and suffering end?" These are the secret struggles that you have not shown the world because Capricorns remain strong even when they are still carrying each other inside. But listen carefully, the universe has not ignored you. Every sacrifice, every whisper of prayer, every time you chose to continue instead of giving up, it has all been recorded. These burdens are not punishment but preparation. They have shaped you to be ready for the surprising blessings that are coming into your life. Capricorn, destiny is about to restore all that was lost. The years spent waiting were not wasted. They became the foundation of the powerful change that is to come. The universe has allowed these burdens to come so that when the blessings come, you will not only receive them in your hands but will love them, cherish them, and use them to create a better future for yourself and the people you love. This is the truth of your journey. Your pain is not in vain. This has been the soil where destiny planted the seeds of your greatest success. And very soon, those seeds will begin to bloom. Capricorn, the time has come to reveal what the universe has prepared for you. 23, 5 and 53. The surprising message is this. Your destiny is about to change in a way that no one, including you, expected. You have lived with limitations for a long time, limitations in money, in love, and in opportunities. But now, the universe is opening a door, and when you step through it, everything you will feel will change. This is not just a small change. This is a turning point. The universe is sending you a signal that your patience, your sacrifices, and your silent prayers have created a powerful energy around you. This energy is now attracting blessings. Just as Nostradamus once wrote that the stars hold secrets just waiting for the right time to be revealed. Your stars are aligning now. And just as Baba Vanga warned that sudden changes come at unexpected times. Your surprising message will come like lightning. It will not wait for your permission. Capricorn, do you remember the moments when you almost gave up? The nights you told yourself, "Maybe nothing good will ever happen to me." Those nights are over. The universe has been preparing a surprise for you for a long time, and now it is ready to show it. The message is clear. You are no longer destined to suffer in silence. You are no longer destined to hide your light. This message comes in many forms. For some Capricorns, it will come as a person, an unexpected acquaintance who will bring the answer to your prayers. For others, it will appear as an opportunity, perhaps a job, a business, or a door that was once closed but is now wide open. And for many, it will come as inner strength. The recognition that you will never be alone and that every burden you have carried is proof of your power. The message is not just about change. It is about destiny. The universe is declaring that what was lost will be replaced and what was broken will be healed. Capricorn, you will finally understand why the universe has kept you waiting so long. It is not punishment. It is about the right time. And this is the surprising message. Your breakthrough has arrived. All you have to do is believe, watch, and be ready. Because when destiny moves, it does not move slowly. It moves with power and changes everything. Capricorn, when it comes to love, your heart is pierced by both deep pain and intense loyalty. You are the type of person who, when in love, gives everything. Time, energy, prayers, and even sacrifices. In Filipino culture, love is often seen as destiny, and for you, love always seems to be written in the stars. But often, destiny seems to be delayed, and you are left wondering if true love will ever come. You may have experienced betrayal, disappointment, or the pain of giving your heart to someone who did not value it. This wound is deep, Capricorn, because when you love, your feelings are true and honest. And when your love is not returned, silence hurts more than any words. However, you never give up on love. You believe that one day, someone will see your true worth. The surprising message of the universe for your heart is this. Love is about to take a new turn. For singles, expect a meeting that seems destined. It could be someone you've known for a long time, a silent admirer, or a completely new soulmate crossing your path. It has a different energy, like a divine encounter. This is not just ordinary love. This is love that seems to be guided by prayers and the right time. For those in relationships, the universe is signaling healing. If there has been an argument, coldness, or distance, a breakthrough is coming. Your union will deepen not because the problems have disappeared, but because you both understand the value of staying with each other. Your relationship will go through fire. But the fire will not destroy, it will purify and strengthen. And for Capricorns, having endured the pain of separation, the universe is telling you to be ready for closure or a reunion. Sometimes people from the past come back when destiny is ready to teach two hearts a lesson. This does not always mean reunion, but it will definitely bring healing. You can find the strength to forgive or the courage to accept love in a new form. Capricorn, the stars are aligning for your heart. Your loyalty will finally be met by someone who will see you as their forever. This surprising message is not just about romance. It's about recognizing that your honest heart is soon to be rewarded. Love will come and it will be stronger, purer, and more genuine than you think. Capricorn, when it comes to money and opportunities, your path is full of hardship, delays, and countless sacrifices. You are the kind of person who doesn't believe in shortcuts. While others chase success quickly, you remain disciplined, patient, and steadfast. In Filipino culture, people who rise to the top are admired for their hard work and perseverance. And you, Capricorn, are the perfect example of this. But let's be honest, there are times when you've asked yourself, why does it feel unfair? Why is it that no matter how hard I try, I always end up falling short? These moments of doubt come because it seems like your efforts are greater than the rewards you receive. But this is the surprising message from the universe. That time of hardship will end. The energy around your zodiac is changing and it is pulling new doors of opportunity towards you. Unexpected financial blessings are coming. For some Capricorns, this may come as a promotion at work or a sudden offer from someone who sees your potential. For others, it may manifest as a business idea, a sideline, or money that comes in unexpectedly, such as a refund, an inheritance, or help from someone you didn't expect to be able to help. Capricorn, you are ruled by Saturn, the planet of discipline, but it is time for the universe to balance the scales. Every peso, every dollar, every drop of sweat you invest is about to return more than you expected. And more than money, it is about freedom. The freedom to choose, relax, and live without constant fear of the future. Luck can also come in the form of winning the lottery. Even if you don't rely on luck, the energy of luck is already circulating in your sign. Even small wins like bonuses, discounts, or simple lucky breaks will be a sign that bigger blessings are coming. Remember, in Filipino belief, luck comes in waves. First, small, then bigger and bigger. The surprising message for your career is also clear. Opportunities will no longer be hidden. If your talent was previously ignored, now it will be noticed. If doors were previously closed, now they will open. Finally, You will see that your ability, perseverance, and good character are the keys to unlocking success. Capricorn, don't be afraid to take what's coming. The universe is saying, this is your time. Money, luck, and opportunities will not escape. They are now coming directly to you. Capricorn, more than love and money, the universe is sending you something greater, spiritual guidance. For Filipinos, life is not only about what is seen but also what is believed. We were raised to trust in prayer, dreams, and the mysterious movements of destiny. That is why this surprising message is so important for your spirit. You are not traveling alone. You may have sometimes felt abandoned, as if heaven had been silent to your cries. But the truth is, Capricorn, you have never been forgotten. Every whispered prayer before going to sleep, every candle you lit, every hope you offered to God or the universe, all of it was heard. You are just being prepared for the right time. Now, signs are starting to appear around you. Dreams that seem real, numbers that appear repeatedly. Words suddenly heard from a stranger that seem to be the answer to your question. This is not just a coincidence. These are messages from above. A reminder that the universe is guiding your steps. Listen carefully to your inner voice because your intuition will be stronger during this time. Capricorn, you are called to trust more deeply. The universe says, trust even if you don't see the whole picture yet. Sometimes grace is delayed but not denied. Sometimes pain is allowed not to destroy you but to shape you. Now, your spirit will begin to understand the reason behind all of this. There is protection surrounding you too. Like a parent watching over a child, a divine energy watches over your path. The dangers that used to destroy you have been blocked. The people who used to betray you have been removed. The universe has been fighting silently for you for a long time. Battles that you have never seen. That is why you are still here today. Strong and standing. The surprising message from the spirit realm is this. You are chosen. You have been given the strength not only to live in the midst of hardships but to overcome them. So no matter how hard life gets, never give up. Your spirit is designed for destiny. The guidance is clear. Continue praying, believing, and continuing on your path. The universe is working miracles in your faith. You will soon see that the path you thought was closed is leading to grace. Capricorn, destiny has a hold on you and your spirit will be lifted higher than ever. Capricorn, now that the message has been revealed, let's revisit what the universe is telling you. Your burdens have never been wasted. They have become the soil where destiny planted the seeds of strength. The surprising message is this. Everything you have carried, the pain, the loyalty, the sacrifices are preparation for blessings beyond your imagination. This is the legacy the universe wants you to understand. Not a single thing in your life has been an accident. Every trial, every heartbreak, every delay, everything has a meaning. It has shaped you to be ready for the weight of miracles. In Filipino belief, we say that everything has its time. Capricorn, your time has come. In love, the stars say that your heart will finally be rewarded. Whether it's in the form of a new beginning, healing an old relationship, or closure that will free you to love again, destiny is moving in your favor. In money and opportunity, doors that were previously closed are opening. Promotions, blessings, and even sudden luck are flowing your way, and spiritually you are being guided and protected by a higher power. Signs will come, dreams will speak, and prayers will be answered. Capricorn, this is not just a reading. This is your turning point. The universe has spoken clearly. The time for waiting is over. You are in the time for receiving. Don't let fear or doubt steal this blessing. When opportunity comes, be ready to seize it. When love knocks, open your heart. When grace pours out, embrace it with gratitude. Remember your heritage. You are chosen. You are protected, and you are destined to rise. The surprising message is not just about the future. It is about who you really are. You are the person who can turn pain into strength, struggle into strength, and long wait into fulfillment. So Capricorn, accept this as your sign. The universe has opened the way. Walk with courage because your breakthrough is not just coming, it is here. Your love, your money, your destiny are all changing now. The message is clear. Believe, stay true, and trust the universe. Because from this day forward, your life will never be the same.